There are no words. I feel like I woke up last week and our world had less magic in it.
I appreciate you saying that. It was definitely unexpected.
Your father, Marc Agee, I feel like he was my entire childhood. The way that he gave life to Brenda on Nursery Nook, there was nothing like it.
You're absolutely right. And that life will go on. As hard as it will be for the company, the character of Brenda will continue. I'm headed to set as soon as we're done here.
Wait. Are you Brenda now?
No.
Because you must be able to do the voice. You sound just like him.
This all happened so suddenly. Dad didn't have a plan in place.
Stop it. Shh, Valerie, I need to hear this.
Taylor, that can't be true.
Out of respect for the family, the producers are taking their time to officially decide.
Though maybe a guy playing a grandma was more okay in the 80s than it is now.
You know what, Dan? That's lunch.
Okay.
I gotta head down.
Well, that was Ronnie. Thanks for listening to
Is this guy for real?
Didn't have a plan. What? So I guess Marc just had me assist him all those years. What? Because I don't smell like a dorm room?
It probably started that way. Look, Ronnie already has an original character on the show and 2 legacy ones. They'd be crazy not to pick you.
I know, but I want her because I can do it. You know, not just because Nepo Baby doesn't have 6 arms.
Can I give you some advice in passing? You need to find out what Marc wanted for you. Because opportunities like Brenda, they only happen once in a lifetime.
Listen here, students. This morning, our young caterpillar begins its most important journey. She's bundled all her brilliance and bravery so she could do what she was born to do. Become a beautiful butterfly.
She was so smart. I can't believe it took Mr. Moose 15 years to promote her to principal.
Look, children, it's becoming a butterfly.
You know she's a doll, right? It could be a fan.
Oh, I guess this butterfly was born to be a pain in my rear. Oh, get. Oh!
We're gonna look through all
Brilliance and bravery.
See, now the thing that I don't like about Mr. Moose is that he absolutely could have promoted her from assistant principal at any time in the 1970s. The fact that he didn't was unconscionable.
Come on.
Dude, it's just a kid's show.
No, but we have to care about it because it's more than a kid show.
It's recycling only.
I need a different plan.
Come on, people. These numbers aren't gonna count themselves.
So, was what you said to that on-fleece guy true? After all, your dad was always writing down letters and planning for the future.
As if I would let some puppet nerd break a story like that. Of course, there are letters.
In his office?
Definitely his office.
Gotta get those keys.
Letter of the day. Hi, I'm G. Yeah, well, I don't even know how to read it. Yeah, not good enough to write system for work.
Ronnie to stage A, Ronnie to stage A.
All right.
There's some trouble with the letter G. We need to take a look at that.
Welcome back to On Fleece. I'm Dan Becker. Today on the show, we have Taylor Dempsey from Nursery Nook.
Glad to be here.
Right off the bat, I've got to ask you about Brenda.
Well, as you know, nothing has officially been decided yet.
Well, not officially, but you must know.
I do know, but I really can't. Let me say this. Brenda, she taught me everything I know. And at times like these, we have to bundle all our brilliance and our bravery so that we can do what we were born to do.